Today I share with you how to make this super delicious Ghanaian peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. Hello everyone, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. As I said, I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious peanut soup. So all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do wait to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. For my protein of choice, today I'll be using cottage or cow feet. I love to use this protein anytime I'm preparing either palm nut soup or groundnut soup because I just love the taste that it gives to it. You can try it and trust me, you'll love it. Feel free as well to use any protein of your choice. Next, I'll go in with some salted beef and also some fresh beef as well. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some cow skin. And as I said, use any protein of your choice. And to season these proteins, I'll go in with some meat seasoning powder, garlic and ginger powder, and some onion powder. Use any seasoning of your choice as well. And I'll also go in with some tomato paste. You can use fresh tomatoes if that is what you have, okay? Don't forget as well to go in with some salt to taste. Whilst that is done, I'll go in with my water, and I'll go in with a lot of water, yes, because I really want my proteins to cook very well. I'll cover it and allow it to cook on high heat until the proteins are very juicy and very tender. So whilst we're steaming our protein, let's go ahead and blend some vegetables, which I'll be blending some pepper, 2 medium-sized onions, garlic, and ginger. So now let's blend everything and set it aside. And we are back to check on our proteins. And at this point, I just love the aroma that is coming out from this. This smells really good. I just wish you guys are here. So that was just by the way. Now we're going to give our proteins a very good mix, and we will cover it and allow it to cook for extra 30 minutes on high heat because we really want our meat to really soften very well. We are back to check on our proteins after 10 minutes, and this is how it looks like. The stock has taken up a little bit, and that's what we're looking for. But yet still it's not ready, so we're going to go in with our blended vegetables to cook alongside with it. I'm going to rinse the blender with some water and I'll add it to the meat. Enough water, I mean. I'll stir everything together very nicely. I'll cover it and allow it to cook once again for about 20 minutes, and it should be ready. Next, we're going to cook our peanut butter. I've already blended my peanut butter with water. That's why you see it's a little bit watery. And that's the consistency that I want, okay? Moving forward, I'll go in with some tomato paste. You can omit it if you don't want to. I'll stir everything together beautifully until the tomatoes dissolve very well. And at this point, the flame is off. As soon as the tomato paste dissolves very well, I'll turn it on and allow it to cook on low-medium heat until oil settles on top beautifully. That's what we want to achieve right here, okay? So now let's stir on low-medium heat until it's nice and ready. Stirring is very, very important right here because we don't want this to develop any lumps. While that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. If you haven't still subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the peanut butter for about 15 to 20 minutes, this is how it turned out. Oil has settled on top beautifully, and that's what I'm looking for. We are back to check on our proteins, and it's doing all good. So we're going to give it a good mix, and afterwards I'll go in with my cooked peanut butter. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Do follow me there and let's vibe over there as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after going in with the peanut butter, I'll give everything a good mix, and I'll also go in with some water as well. As always, the consistency of your soup really depends on how thick or light you want it, okay? So go in with the water according to your taste. Whilst that is done, I'll also go in with some dry fish, which is totally to my taste. You can omit it, okay? I'll go in with my dry herring, smoked mackerel, my super, and also some catfish. I'll also go in with some apatere, but I'll add it when the soup is almost done. So now let's give everything a good mix and allow it to cook until oil settles on top beautifully, or until it's nice and ready. And if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, then what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so the soup has been cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes now. So it's time for me to go in with the apatere. After going in with the apatere, I'll allow it to simmer down for about 10 to 20 minutes and the soup should be ready. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian peanut butter soup in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. I enjoyed this peanut butter soup with fufu. You can also enjoy this with some rice ball, abetie, or any other thing that you can enjoy this with. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.